So today we will discuss about how the television towers, television stations or radio stations send their signal and we receive it in our set. Audio is received in radio set and audio visual both are received in a TV set. How this works? There are innumerable stations. Suppose there are GTV, G News, Aaj Tak, Star TV, innumerable stations. But today we will confine to only two stations. We will talk about only two stations. Suppose one is G News, other one is Aaj Tak. So every station has a particular frequency. They send signals at a particular frequency. Okay. Suppose G News send signal having frequency F1 and Aaj Tak send signal having frequency F2. Now, what happens in my colony? A room, house number A, house number B, house number C, house number D, they have in the television send signal of F1 through remote. There are so many options, but today we will stick to only two frequencies. In similar fashion, other also works. So, suppose in my colony there are quarters A, B, C, D, and they have adjusted in their television by remote. You send send signal through remote. Actually, you send frequency. Actually, you send a particular frequency to your television. Okay. Now, house number A send frequency F1, send frequency F1, C, F1, D, F1, and house number E, F, G, H, they send frequency F2. Okay, and G News has sent frequency F1. So in your television, you will observe G News. If you have sent frequency F1 to your television through your remote, and if you send frequency F2, that is frequency of Aaj Tak, in your television, and Aaj Tak has sent frequency F2, then you will observe in your television Aaj Tak. If you are in house number E or house number F or house number G or house number H, and this process matching of frequency of your house with the matching of frequency sent by G News is called resonance. Is called resonance. So that I am going to show you through this messaging device. Now suppose this is G News. Okay, and it will send a frequency, and here in this device the frequency is dependent upon the length and size. So this longer one has the same length. So this longer one has frequency F1, this one has F1, this is room number, house number A, B, C, D, E. They are having frequency F1. And shorter one has frequency F2. So house number C, D, E, F, G, they are having frequency F2. Okay. So now I am sending frequency F1 and F1 is set in longer one. So you will see that, you will observe that. So bring the camera here nearer. You will observe that only the longer one will oscillate, vibrate, but the shorter one will not vibrate, while the longer one vibrates. What happens? This is your substation, and F1 is set in all these houses. With the remote, they have set F1 in their television. So observe carefully. If I strike F1, only the longer one is vibrating. That means resonance is taking place in your television, because these houses have set F1 in their television. And this is G News. They send a signal, and who is vibrating? Those who are having frequency F1. No, go on. And now again a second substation, F2. This is having frequency F2, and Aaj is sending F2, and these houses have set frequency in their home F2. Okay, so when Aaj will send frequency F2, they will get resonated, and in their television they will observe Aaj. But G News will not have show any effect, because resonance will take place in smaller one now this time. So let's see what happens. I am striking the smaller one, that means Aaj is sending frequency. So you can see that I have struck both the one accidentally. Okay. You can see the only smaller one is vibrating, and longer ones are stationary. Okay. So now when Aaj sends signals, the television having frequency of Aaj only they will function. Rest of the station will not be visible. Okay, that much.